Hey, well, Happy New Year. We are back in the shop today. This will be part two of the grapple modifications. Spin the camera around, show you what we got going so far.
Everything is bigger.
And that's adding the cutter teeth on the front of the grapple. So you can go back and see the other video where we started cutting those out.
And my template so far.
We got rain in the forecast for later today, so I'm going to try to get this welded out on the tractor, and then we're going to try to go give it a test run before it starts raining. So hang in there. All right, we got it tacked up. Let's go grab a tractor and get it in here, and we'll get this lifted up so I can flip up to the bottom, tack on the bottom of it, get it welded up, and then take it from there. Got them on there. Okay, we're out here. We're fixing to let the grapple eat. We'll see what it'll do here. And so I'm gonna show you, flip right here behind you. So right behind me right here, all this right here is a bunch of yopon and smaller trashy type trees we want to clear out. Our pond is roughly 30 yards that way, and I actually want to take some of this small stuff out of here and try to see what's left of the big trees, see what needs to come out, because we want to do an expansion next year, actually this year. So hard to really work the grapple and spin around. Yep. There's the aftermath. I think we went through there, and you'll see another video. You know, I need to work on, you know, operating a little better, getting a little faster with it. But heck, very impressed with it. You did a great job. Go over and look at the teeth. See what we got. Well, I'll say we can flip the camera around. I'm not missing a single tooth. Cover with some milk. She's a cutter. I'll clean her up. But well, I hope you liked what you saw, like our project here. But be sure to like and subscribe. And that'll be it for this video till we get it out again and start ripping with it. Just not today. So, happy New Year.